How to delete X account permanently. In this video today, let's learn how to permanently delete your X account or Twitter account. First, let's open the X app and make sure you're logged into the account you permanently want to delete. Then, tap on your profile picture at the top left corner and do tap on Setting and Support option as shown. Then tap on Setting and Privacy. After that, tap on Your Account option present at the very first. Then you'll see various options from which you need to click on Deactivate Your Account option. After that, a page like this will open. If you want to delete your account permanently, you'll first have to deactivate your account. Your account will be deactivated for a period of 30 days, and in case you change your mind in between, you can definitely reactivate it by just logging in with your password and email. Now, let's just click on Deactivate button here. After pressing it, they will ask you to enter your password in order to confirm that it's you who is trying to deactivate the account. When you enter your password, your X account will be deactivated for a period of 30 days. And if you do not reactivate it in period of 30 days, your account will be deleted permanently. I hope you guys found that helpful. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.